Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport D200 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Santorini black. Starting from the front, where you will find your matrix LED headlights with signature daytime running lights with front and rear animated directional indicators. To the sides, you will see further features all courtesy of the black exterior pack, as it sits with utmost pride on a set of upgraded 20-inch gloss mid-silver alloy wheels. To the rear, you will notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, and the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening the power tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space. We'll be able to locate 2 further seats within the rear, making this vehicle perfect for those with larger families, your electronically deployable tow bar to your left, and power recline seats to your right, as well as the rear passengers' own climate control systems. Within the rear, passengers are certainly going to enjoy their ebony perforated Windsor leather rear seats, and glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way heated electric memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a close look now at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, your 11.4-inch Pivot Pro touchscreen, and finalising our journey by looking up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport, which we have here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.